Hey guys, this is a video about two airplane that we made by ourselves. This is an airplane with a rubber band on the end, the top part. This is the airplane that I see in the YouTube that they say the ultimate airplane. Let's see now. Let's go. Wait. Down. Go. And wait. Dapat ano? Yeah, let's go. So look at this. Can you see that? Can you see it? There we go. Oh no. And the winner is the ultimate airplane. How about this airplane? That rules. It's just for the... Come on, let's go. Let's go inside. This airplane is for just war. It's a war airplane. This airplane is for landing. It has a stand, you know. Look at it. See, it has a stand. It's a butter airplane. Let's see what I can do with Alia. Yup.
Amazing.
It's amazing. Okay. So I hope you like our video. The next video of ours is we are gonna make a Santa
Butterfly.
and butterflies. Okay, there you go. Bye.